Welcome to Sea Breeze, your coastal escape tucked inside one of the most exclusive communities here on South Padre Island. This charming 3-bedroom, 2-bath isn't just a home, it's a breath of fresh air. Are you new to this channel? My name's Denise and we talk about the real estate here on sunny South Padre Island. Hit subscribe so you don't miss an update and share this video with a friend if you think they might be interested in the island as well. Located at 8406 Water Street, this single level beauty sits in the Shores community, which is a 250-acre bay to beach gated community. This is designed for those who want it all. Privacy, style, and a lifestyle that makes you feel like you're on vacation every day. This home was built in 2019 and is being offered fully furnished. Sea Breeze blends modern coastal comfort with a playful island vibe. From the tasteful decor to the smart layout, every detail was made to feel easy and breezy. Let's take a look inside this charming home. You can see we are looking at Sea Breeze. You have a parking cover over on the side, and there, look over there, you've got your barbecue. You're coming up the front steps. You've got a nice seated area. Look out, you can see the bay over there, and you are in a community of cottages on the street. Here we go, inside. Welcome to bite a very festive reef and sea turtle. You have an entry hall, take you right into the main area. Kitchen is set up beautifully, bar seating, lots of work area here, plenty of storage, and love that soft blue backsplash. See, you've got a bar area for coffee and additional storage. Into the main room, you have your kind of a window dining area and your living area right off the kitchen. In this main area, we also have the washer and dryer. It's a room, completely closes off. And look at that, it's got plenty of storage. Super breezy cottage. Let's check out the 2 bedrooms. On this side of the house, you've got a bathroom in the hall, tiled all the way to the ceiling, and you've got 2 bedrooms in this hallway. Here's the first. Next door, you've got twin beds. Super fun room. You can see you're right off the front porch here in this room. And then you come back out into that hall where the bathroom is down the ways and you're back into the living. Now let's check out that primary bedroom. Off the main area, you have a separate entrance. On the east side of the house, your spacious primary bedroom. Your windows look out onto the grassy backyard and back patio. This room is super simple, breezy and easy. You've got your vanity sink, large walk-in shower, and an extra area here in the bathroom. Step outside to your private fenced yard and put your evening dinners, weekend barbecues, and morning coffee, all with, well, the Sea Breeze. Living here means you're not just buying a home, you're joining a lifestyle. The Shores offers private beach and bay access, a marina, resort-style pool, pickleball, tennis courts, half basketball court, and sand volleyball. Tons of fun with the kiddos at heart. And the beach just across the street. You are just steps away from your toes in the sand and sunset strolls. So whether you are dreaming of a second home, a rental-ready investment, or just a happier way of living, Sea Breeze is calling. Will you answer? We would love to walk you through this home, set your appointment, or give us a call. This home has been in the rental pool and can provide a positive rental history. Until next time, this is Denise signing off from the shores of South Padre Island.